To begin, we're going to use 70% isopropyl alcohol, and what I like to do is pour it into a fine misting spray bottle. Now, this is the acrylic that's dried on my glass palette, and I'm spraying it lightly with the rubbing alcohol. I let it sit up for a minute or two, and then as you can see, the acrylic paint peels off very easily with my palette knife. In general, acrylic is easier to get off a palette, so what about oil paint? That's what I want to show you next. Now this is dry oil paint, once again on a glass palette. I spray it lightly with the rubbing alcohol, and as you can see, the oil paint peels right up off the palette. I usually leave the rubbing alcohol on the dried oil paint for just a few minutes, but if it's been dry for a long time, you may find you need to leave it on for more like 20 or 30 minutes before you can peel it back. It just depends on how long it's been dry on your glass palette. I hope you liked this video today. If so, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon.